morning from Jaipur. Hi, Mama.
Hi. Nana. Hey.
Where's Nana? Hi, Nana. We're going down for breakfast. We've been here for 2 days, but today is our last day, so I thought I should vlog a little bit. We're gonna try. And we're all, well, actually, Aru's hungry. It's breakfast time for him. What are you gonna have? You'll have idli, dosa, and pancakes. What will Nana have? Dosa. So we're currently staying at the Anantara in Jaipur, and it's been a really lovely stay. And we're gonna go down and get something to eat.
Singing Nani Puri Morni ko mor le gaye. Aru? Nani Puri Morni ko mor le gaye. Baki jo bacha tha ye chor le gaye.
So this was the breakfast area, which was actually really good. There were so many options, and that's me lingering around the croissants and pastries because I just like looking at them. And of course, Nani was on Nani duty. She left no opportunity to feed Aru. She just kept feeding him. That was literally her favorite pastime on this trip. And Aru loves this book, by the way. This is Diva's book from when she was Aru's age, Diva, my niece, and he loves it. It's adorable. They had a little hatti kapi pop-up at the hotel, which means I had a filter coffee every day. It was so good. And look at how cute this pancake is that the chef whipped out for Aru. I'm just getting ready for the day, and I ordered something on Blinkit. I wanted some jhumkas for the outfit that I'm wearing, so I got these two and also some black bindis. How convenient is life? Like literally I forgot to carry jhumkas because I'm wearing an Indian suit for the day. So this is one. It's not the best, but I mean, you have something at least. Actually, it's not bad. I like it. And also a black bindi. This is the dupatta. I'll show you the outfit once I'm ready. I got these two. I'm leaning towards this, but I'm going to try both and see which one works. So we're ready to go for the day. We are headed to Sea Scheme. We're gonna go explore a couple of stores. I've decided to do a desi fit. So I'm wearing this salwar kameez and I have the bindi, the earrings. Aru and I are kind of matching. You like the bindi, Gudu? Yeah? He's a little confused. What does Mama have on her face? Yeah, Babu? Yeah. Let's go. We're going drive. Yeah. We've packed Aru's bag fully. We've got everything ready. We've got a massive terrace connected to our room. Let me show you. This is what it looks like. It's got a jacuzzi as well, which obviously we're not using because of the rains. This is the terrace. I love this painting. It's so pretty. Nani and Mama. That's what Aru thinks. Aru thinks it's Mama and Nani. We're now headed to Sea Scheme. We're gonna go to Anokhi first, and there are a bunch of other stores. There's a store called Soma, and I saw like a list that Condé Nast did that are like great shopping spots in Jaipur. So I'm gonna try to stop by a couple of them. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to Anokhi because last time I went there, I got some really good kurtas for me, Mom, Aru. So yeah. I love these quad sets from Anokhi as night suits, and even these actually. Done with Anokhi, and now we're going to this place called Jaipur Modern for lunch. I literally just found it on Google Maps and it looked cool, so we're gonna go get something to eat there. And if you guys are from Jaipur, drop in your recommendations for shopping and food, because I mean, I'm still pretty lost. I tried to look it up on Google, but it's a little confusing. So maybe next time, but I'm just gonna try to go to a couple of stores based on what I saw on Google. Let me know if you guys like this place that I'm going to. Oh, and by the way, the visit to Anokhi was quite a success. We got 2 shirts for Dad and Siddharth, and I got a kurta set for Aru, and I got a dress for Diva. So cute stuff. I didn't end up really getting anything because I felt like the stock was kind of similar to when I came here last time. So yeah, I didn't get anything, but I got stuff for the babies. I just got one for Aru. I think it's adorable. And we're just browsing some more clothes. Everything looks really nice. We got the cutest little toy for Aru. Look at this. Gudu, do you love it?
Yeah, I like it. I like
It's
it.
so
cute. That looks like Nana actually. Papa, it looks like you. Wait, looks exactly like you. Literally.
Yummy in my tummy. Got back to the room and we had some towel art waiting for us on the bed. How sweet. I think these are swans. And also my shopping bags. I got stuff from Anoki, PDKF, and that doll that I showed you. Aru was fast asleep at this point. He was pretty tired, and that's me enjoying my chai while Aru was asleep. Hi! So now we are having coffee and basically playing and running around. Aryan is full of energy right now. So we're just basically running around and building an appetite for dinner. We've got a beautiful dinner planned at the banquet below. I think they've planned like a nice private dining thing for my parents because we're celebrating their birthdays this month. So I've asked them to arrange a cake for the night. So I think it's gonna be nice. And yeah, Dad, me and Aru are just basically running around and having fun. Aru had a blast in the kids' play area, and Mum went for a hair wash in the salon downstairs, and she's going to join us in a bit. But it's been lovely. It finally stopped raining. Oh my god, look at the sky. It finally stopped raining. It was raining the whole time. We got here on Friday. So it was raining Friday and Saturday, and now this Sunday, luckily it stopped raining and we were out and about. So it was perfect. But I'm going to show you what the property looks like. It is beautiful. It's like a perfect wedding kind of property. So yeah, it's new and I think it's really beautiful. Let me show you. Anyway, I'm gonna go back to my baby and have my coffee. Sorry, I think I'll have it here only. Yeah. Yeah, there. Yes? What is it? Do Rani, come. Mama's having coffee. Look at this. Kaka. Yes, hi. Namaste. Look, Aru. Kaka. What a beautiful dinner setup. Didi. Yes.
Didi will come.
That's Aru's chair. See, there's a chair for Aru.
Kaka.
And look at the beautiful setup. Birthday month.
Just do it there. Come.
Birthday month. Birthday month.
I'll feed you now. Thank you, Ari.
Yay, Aru cut the cake. Yummy, yummy.
Husband.
Yay. Good morning, Aru. Good morning. Why are you wearing Mama's glasses too? Can Mama have them back? No, don't throw them.
Aru, can I sing one new song for you? Re mama re.
It's not a new song, Nani.
Re mama re.
Good morning. We just got back from breakfast, and since I'm just packing, I thought of showing you everything I got yesterday. I didn't really shop much, but let me show you everything I got. And then I need to pack everything in the suitcase. My phone is slipping away. Hold on. Okay, there are a lot of bags. Let's go through them. I'll show you everything I got from PDKF. It's a very cute store in Jaipur. In case you guys are around, you should go visit. And also, like, everything goes to charity, which is another reason to shop. So I got this cute little dress for Diva. Look at how adorable this is. This is actually 7 to 8 years. Diva's 10, but I thought this length was nicer. So yeah, it's a really cute, colorful little dress for Diva. I am obsessed with this sweatshirt. Check this out. It says Jaipur Polo. And then I got this set. These shorts are in a size medium. They didn't have my size, but I think it should do because I'm not going to wear it very high-waisted. So I think it's kind of going to look good when you're wearing it low-waisted. Aru's at the back. And it comes with this matching top. It doesn't come with it. I bought it as a set. You had a bunch of other options for the top as well. So this halter top to go with these little shorts, and I think it's super cute. I think it's such a vibe. I actually wanted to wear it this morning to breakfast, but then I was too lazy to get ready. So yeah. Now let me show you what we got from Anbuki. So starting with this super cute dress for Diva. Mom, I love this dress. It's so cute. I love the print. So this is for Diva. It's a really cute midi or maxi dress for her. And we have a little kurta set for Aru. This is the kurta. I might make him wear this for Ganpati. It comes with white pajamas. And we got 2 shirts. One is for my dad and one is for Sid. They're just basic plain shirts. Full sleeve. So everything we got from Aloki. Okay, now I got the cutest little thing for Aru. This is adorable. It's from this place called Silai Wali. And they make dolls. Like, I've never seen designer dolls. I went to the store. I went to Jaipur Modern yesterday for lunch and they had this cute little store inside. And this is the doll. It comes with its own bed. Like, look at this. A blanket, a pillow and like the whole mattress situation. And this is the doll. How adorable. I feel like this doll looks like my dad. I think it's adorable. Aru's doll. Look at that. Aru's looking at it from outside. A couple of brands actually found out that I was in Jaipur. It was really sweet for them to reach out and see if they can send me something. This brand sent something to the hotel. And it's called Silver Scent. It's got a evil eye pendant. Ooh, there's a little gift. Wow! Ooh, it's a nice off-shoulder dress in brown. I actually really like it. Okay, so that was everything. Now I'm gonna pack and get ready. And I will see you guys maybe in a bit. We're gonna head to the airport at 4. The flight's at 6:40, so we have a lot of time.